Mastering Zero Conditionals with Modals in English. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of zero conditionals with modals. Conditionals can be tricky, but once you've got a handle on them, they really open up your ability to express complex ideas and scenarios in English. Let's get started. Firstly, let's do a quick recap. Zero conditionals are used to express facts or situations that are always true. They generally have the structure if plus present simple tense plus present simple tense. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. But today, we're not just looking at any zero conditionals, we're looking at those that include modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Common modals include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Example: you must study for the exam. Now, let's mix modals with zero conditionals and see the magic happen. When we use modals with zero conditionals, we're still talking about general truths, but we're adding an extra layer of possibility, ability, or necessity. The structure is typically like this: if plus present simple tense plus modal verb plus base form of verb. For example, if you don't eat, you can feel weak. This sentence expresses a general truth. Not eating leads to weakness, but uses a modal verb, can, to indicate that it's a possibility, not an absolute certainty for everyone. Now let's try making some sentences of our own. Remember, we're looking for general truths using the present tense, and including a modal verb. Here are a few examples. If it rains, you might get wet. If you exercise regularly, you can become healthier. If we don't protect the environment, future generations will suffer. Try creating your own sentences and share them in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on zero conditionals with modals. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Remember, mastering a language requires practice, and more practice. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!